Okay, today we're at B&B Audio Concepts, and this vehicle has been replaced for this Kenwood. It's a 10.1 touchscreen, has a lot of extra features. The main problem we had with this car was trying to keep the 360 working. Luckily, one of our suppliers has the part, so we've managed that. That's fine. The unit now has all the usual stuff that you would expect, plus DAB and Bluetooth. Weather today.
Expect rain today. The high temperature will be 6 degrees.
So overall, brilliant bit of kit. If something like this interests you, give us a ring. It's WAS B&B Audio Concepts. We're based in Cardiff. This now will have a 3-year warranty and just all the features that you would want. We've also added a HDMI lead, which now gives you Fire Stick and all the various bits and bobs. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.